Assalamualaikum everyone. So this lesson we are going to look at grid drawing. We know that grid drawing is we transfer a drawing onto grids. First of all, you measure your sample of picture that you want to draw. Here it's 5 cm width and 7 cm length. Right, I'm working on the horizontal part of the picture. For each 1 centimeter, I am measuring and marking. And I have done 3 levels of marking on top, in the middle, and at the bottom. The reason is because I want to get a straight line. So connect the marks vertically. Make sure you have 5 rows, right? That's for 5 cm. Now we're going to work on the 7 cm. Again, mark each 1 centimeter. Do it for 3 parts as well. When you have more marks, you get straighter lines. Connect the marks. You can use any other pens apart from pencil. Even if you want to use a color pencil, it's okay. Now you have the grids. Count the boxes, it should be 7. Right, now we're gonna do grids on the drawing paper. Make 5 centimeter by 7 centimeter box. I started with the horizontal line of 5 centimeter and then the vertical line of 7 centimeter. Then I measure to get a straight line, just like what you see on the video. Right, connect the mark, check whether it's 5 centimeter, check at the bottom and top. Now you just connect the bottom, right? And then you check whether it's 7 centimeter or not. Right, this is the way to get a straight box. Right, always make sure the measurement is correct with your sample of picture. Now make or mark 1 centimeter horizontally. We are recreating the grids that we did on the sample of picture. Connect the marks. Please make sure your lines are straight. That is very important for grid drawing. Now vertically mark each 1 centimeter. Connect the marks. For this grid, you must use pencil and make a very light line because you're going to erase the grids later. Now you have the grids and you should have 35 boxes. Okay, the next step will be to draw what you see in each box. Right, so I am blocking the other boxes and starting from the first on the top right. Right, this is easier for me because I don't want other drawings or other lines to confuse me. So I start with the first box and I draw whatever I see in that box. Once the drawing is transferred, I move on to the second box. You should only draw what you see in each box. That's why you are blocking the other boxes. The things you see are only lines and shapes, so transfer whatever you see. Right? Make sure you are transferring what you see exactly on the box. So we move box by box. The reason why we are blocking the other boxes is to enable you to not get confused and focus on what you have right in front of you. Once you're done with the first level of boxes, move on to the second. Do the same thing. You can block the other boxes, trace what you see on the picture, and transfer it onto your drawing. Okay, move box by box. If you're comfortable, you don't have to block all the boxes on the sample picture and proceed to draw like what I am drawing. But if you think it's confusing, you can go ahead and block the other boxes and just focus on the box that you're drawing. I'm doing this because I have already experienced drawing using the grid lines, and it's not going to confuse me. If you think you won't get confused, go ahead and draw without covering the boxes. Once you're done drawing, erase the grid lines. So it is important the grid lines are done very lightly, right? If the drawing is erased, please retrace again. Okay, now remember I taught you about line weight. Refer to the picture and darken the area which you think it needs to.